Are you also spending way too much on AI tools these days? Just think about it. Maybe you're paying $20 for ChatGPT Plus, $30 more for MidJourney, another $25 for Perplexity Pro. And before you even realize, you're burning through hundreds of dollars every month, all just to use different AI tools separately. But what if I told you there's actually a smarter way, a place where you can use all premium AI tools all together in one platform and for way less money? So in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, how you can save your money, and still get full access to all of the best AI tools out there. So our amazing platform called GlobalGPT, and trust me, it's a total game changer. Here, you can access more than 100 powerful AI tools, all in one place. Tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Grok, Claude, MidJourney, Flux, Ideogram, Luma, Runway ML, and many more. No need to buy separate subscriptions for each tool anymore. Whether you want to chat with AI, generate images, create videos, or even write code, everything can be done from one single platform. And the best part? You don't need your own subscription for any of these tools. All right, so how do we get started? Simple. You'll find the link to GlobalGPT in the description below. Just click on that link and it'll take you straight to the GlobalGPT website. Right on the homepage, you'll see all the top AI models available. The first step is to create your account. To do that, just click on the Sign Up button. You can create your account using Google, Apple, MetaMask, or even your email, whatever works best for you. Now look at this. The interface is super user-friendly. Right at the top, you'll see all the categories like chat, image, search, video, code, and many more. So no need to waste time looking for tools. Everything is nicely organized and easy to find. This makes it super fast to find any tool you need, no time wasted at all. Now let's go into the chat section. Here, you'll find the latest language models like GPT-4, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Gemini 1.5 Pro, DeepSeek, Grok, and more. So let's try out ChatGPT first. We'll ask it to create a Python script for a data analysis tool. So I'll type the command, create a Python script for a data analysis tool, and run it. As you can see, it generated the script perfectly. It's fast and really accurate. Now let's do something similar using DeepSeek. We'll switch to the DeepSeek model and ask it to generate code for a gaming application. Now let's give DeepSeek the command to generate code for a gaming application. And look at that. DeepSeek has also generated a perfect coding script for the gaming application. In the same way, you can try any model on GlobalGPT and get the perfect result for your project. As you can see, all the top AI models are available here in one place. Now let's click on the image section. Here, you'll find powerful image generation tools like MidJourney, Flux, and Ideogram. You don't need to switch between different tabs. First, we'll use the Flux model to generate an image. So we select the Flux model. Now, to generate an image, you type your prompt in this prompt box. To make your prompt better, just enable this optimized prompt box here. Then, choose the image aspect ratio from this option. After that, pick the model you want to use. Finally, click on Generate to create your image. And just like that, in a few seconds, your image will be generated in ultra quality. It's really impressive how fast and sharp the quality is, right? All right, let's create another new image to clear any confusion. Just type a new prompt here again. Then simply click on Generate, and boom, in just a few seconds, your new image is ready. Amazing, guys, super awesome. This way, you can use the Flux model on GlobalGPT to create your high-quality images with just one click. And if you don't want to keep searching for the Flux image model again and again, you can add it to your list. Just click on Add to My Tools and it will be saved in your tool list. So next time you want to create an image with Flux, just go to My Tools and easily access Flux without any hassle. Now, we'll generate an image using Ideogram. If you want to create a text-based image for your project, then Ideogram model is the best choice. Select the Ideogram model and then enter your text-based prompt in the prompt box. From here, you can also select the model you want to use. If you want to use a negative prompt, you can enter it in this box. Next, choose the image format you want. And here, select the style you like. Finally, click on Generate to create your image. You'll see the result, and the text will be very clear and easy to read. Let's try one more image. Type your text-based prompt in the prompt box, and then click Generate. And in this image, you can see how clear and perfect text we mentioned in the prompt looks. So, if you want to create text-based images for your project, Ideogram is definitely the best choice. Besides this, on GlobalGPT, you'll find many other top AI models that help you create high-quality, realistic images for your projects. Besides this, you'll also find another premium top image model called MidJourney. You can easily use MidJourney here to create amazing images too. When you go to the search section, you'll find top AI tools like Deep Research and Perplexity, which help you get accurate information in seconds. In the video section, you'll see top video generator AI tools like Luma AI and Runway. To generate a video, select the Luma AI model. Enter your prompt in the prompt box. You can enable this box to optimize your prompt. Then choose your video aspect ratio and resolution. Finally, click Generate. After just a few seconds of processing, your video will be ready. Let's check out the video once and see how it looks. You can see how amazing the video quality is. The camera movement, lighting, and flow are so smooth. It feels like a scene from a Hollywood movie. Now, we will try the Runway model to generate a video. So, select the Runway model. In Runway, to generate a video, first, you need to upload a reference image. So first, we'll generate a reference image using the Flux model. Simply select Flux, enter your prompt, and create the image. Once it's ready, download the image to your device. Next, head over to the Runway model, where you'll upload this reference image. In the prompt box, enter your prompt and keep the model and seed settings as they are. Now, before generating the video, you can choose the video duration and also select the video resolution to get the quality you want. After setting these, just click on Generate Video. Within moments, your video will be ready. And look at the result! You can see how awesome the quality is. It's truly amazing. It feels like a professional production. Finally, to save your video, click the three-dot menu and select Download to save it directly to your gallery. Let's generate another video, so for this we'll start by generating an image using the MidJourney model. Select MidJourney, and then enter your prompt in the prompt box. From here, you can choose the image aspect ratio, and below, adjust the settings to match your image requirements. In the model section, you'll find the latest version of MidJourney available. Click on Generate Image, and within seconds, MidJourney will create 4 images for you. Just look at them, and pick the one you like the most. Each image has a label, U1, U2, U3, or U4, depending on its position. For example, if you like the third image, its label will be U3. Just click on that label and MidJourney will create a high-quality version of that image. Once it's ready, you can download it and use it in your project. Next, switch back to the Runway model. Upload the image you just downloaded, enter your prompt in the prompt box, and click Generate Video. Your video will start processing shortly. Absolutely. The video quality looks stunning, smooth, clear, and super professional. It really feels like something straight out of a high-end production. What kind of project are you thinking of using this for? So, guys, these are some of the top AI tools we tried here. On GlobalGPT, you get hundreds of top AI tools that make content creation super easy. Now, talking about GlobalGPT's subscription, it is very affordable. If you buy separate subscriptions for all these tools, it can cost you around $200 to $300 every month. But on GlobalGPT, you can access all these tools for just $15 per month, which is even cheaper than ChatGPT Plus. And if you buy the unlimited plan, it costs still very cheap, and if you buy yearly plans, it gets even cheaper. Another great thing is GlobalGPT offers top-up plans, so you can top up your account anytime as you need. You can pay with cards or even crypto. Plus, GlobalGPT keeps updating regularly with the latest AI models and features, so you always get the best tools. So if you're looking to save money on AI tools and want a smart all-in-one platform, GlobalGPT is the perfect choice for you. It not only helps you cut down expenses, but also makes your work way easier and faster. We truly believe GlobalGPT can be a game changer for your projects. The link to GlobalGPT is in the video description. go ahead and give it a try today. And if you have any questions about GlobalGPT, just drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to help you out. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe now. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for now. Bye-bye and take care. See you in the next video with a new tool and a fresh tutorial.